welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean my silver jewelry using something that I have at home. As an example, I'm gonna clean my silver ring for today's tutorial, and this silver ring I got it from Bali, from a gallery, and whether it's a real or a fake silver, you can just see at the back of the ring. Usually they have like a mark, and this one is 925 silver jewelry. So what do you need to clean this ring or this silver ring? First, you need a toothbrush. Make sure that the toothbrush you're gonna use is very soft one, like maybe a baby type or a sensitive type of toothbrush. And then you need a toothpaste. This is actually the most important one because this is like the chemical that you can use to clean silver jewelry. And then another one, you need a cloth or any fabrics that you can use to wipe the silver. I use this one. This is actually my old glasses cloth, and it's very soft because it is made to not to scratch the glasses. I usually wear a like a plastic glasses. I don't know what you call it. I forgot the name. And the last one, you need this water. Sorry. First, I usually wet this toothbrush first on the water. And I use a little bit of toothpaste. Just put a little bit amount on the toothpaste. And I start brushing the paste to the silver ring. I usually focus on the part that is really dirty because sometimes using silver ring, I thought you don't need to clean it up, but apparently you need to clean it up regularly to make it shine. And sometimes I do it like once a month or any time I think it's getting too dirty. So I do this at home while I'm taking a shower. Don't forget to brush in the inside part because usually your sweat also makes dirty in the inside part of the ring. Okay, if you think it's enough, then just dip into the water that you have. Not clean yet, then you can redo the whole thing again, like this. I usually don't add more paste because usually they still have paste here on the toothbrush. So see, I don't add more paste, but still have some paste in here. Okay, now dip in again and see if it's already shine and clean. Okay, I think that's clean enough. Won't focus. Okay, I hope you can see how it shine now. Okay, once you think it's already clean, I rinse the water, dry this ring using the cloth very softly because you don't want to scratch your jewelry. Okay, I think that's dry enough. Today, thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.